Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel Maths Guide. In today's video, we are going to tackle a super important topic in math, multiplication and division of integers. You have probably already worked with positive and negative in numbers, but when it comes to multiplying and dividing them, things can get a little tricky. But don't worry, we are going to walk through all the rules step by step with plenty of examples to make it stick. By the end of this video, you will not only know the rules like the back of your hand, but you will also feel confident solving problems with both positive and negative integers. So let's get into it. Alright, let's talk about multiplying integers using a number line. This is a great visual way to understand how positive and negative numbers interact when you multiply them. As you know that multiplication is repeated addition. If you are multiplying like integers, the result is always positive. And if you are multiplying unlike integers, the result is always negative. Keep these points in your mind. This is exercise 3.3. Now we have to find out the product of 4 and 5 using number line. You can multiply 4 5 times or 5 4 times. As you can see, a number line is drawn and I will take 5 4 times. This is the first set of 5 units. Then second set, third set, fourth set. It means I have multiplied 5 4 times and my final answer is 20. So it means when 4 is multiplied by 5, as you know, the both have positive sign, they are like integers, so our answer will be positive as well. This is exercise 3.3, question number 1, part 2. Again, we have to find out the product of negative 3 and 8. As you all know that both are unlike integers. So we will move towards the left side of the 0 on our number line. Remember, if any one of the integer is having a negative sign, we will always move towards the left side of the 0. It means towards the negative numbers. Whether you multiply 3 8 times or 8 3 times, the answer would be same. I have taken 3 units 8 times and my final answer is negative 24. This is exercise 3.2, question number 1, part 6. Here we have to multiply again a negative integer with a positive integer. It means we have two unlike integers, so our answer will be negative. And we will move towards the left side of the 0 5 times. And our final answer is negative 25. This is exercise 3.3, question number 2. Here we have to keep two things in our mind, that we must have a solid grasp on multiplication of numbers. Secondly, we must know that when we have like integers, the answer or the product is always positive, and when we have unlike integers, the answer or the product is always negative. In the first question, we have both unlike integers, so our answer will be negative 874. In next question, both are like integers, that's why we have positive product, that is 360. Again we have like integers in the third part, so our answer is again positive. And as you all know, when we multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. And again we have two like integers, our answer is positive. Our next concept is division of integers. It is same as division of whole numbers, but it is inverse process of multiplication. As far as the integers are concerned, the division of integers is same as simple division. We have a question, 63 divided by 9 is 7. When 63 dividend is divided by 9 divisor, the quotient, that is the answer of division, is 7. It means 7 is the number which multiplied by 9 will give 63. This is exercise 3.3, question number 3, part 2 and 4. Here again we have to divide the integers. Rules of dividing integers are same as multiplication. That is, when we have like integers, the result is positive, and when we have unlike integers, the result is negative. In the first part, we are going to divide positive 27 by negative 3. Here, the first step is to take reciprocal of minus 3, that is 1 by minus 3. As 27 is divided by 3, we get 27 divided by minus 3 and answer is negative 9. Next part, negative 78 will be multiplied by 1 over negative 13 taking reciprocal, and we get negative 78 divided by negative 13. As both have the same sign, both are like integers, so our answer is positive. This is exercise 3.2, question number 3, part 6 and 7. In the first question, we are dividing an integer with a 0, and in the second part, we are dividing 0 by an integer. Remember that the division of an integer by 0 is not possible. It means if we divide 156 by 0, our answer will be not possible. But if we multiply 0 by 89, as 0 is multiplied by 1 or divided by 89, our answer will be 0. This is exercise 3.2, question number 7, and we have to verify this law. But first we have to identify which type of law is this, whether it is a commutative, distributive or associative law. As you can see, we have three integers, so it cannot be a commutative law. But here the arrangement of integers are same on both sides, but the difference is of grouping or the use of bracket, and this is associative law. Associative law of multiplication. Here we have to verify whether left hand side is equal to right hand side or not. So let's start. So let's have left hand side, we will multiply the bracket first, and we get negative 56. And on the right hand side, when we multiply these both integers which are like integers, we get positive 35. We will multiply it by 8. Again we have both negative integers, so our answer is positive, and here again our answer is positive, so I have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is exercise 3.2, question number 8. Now we have to verify the distributive law. On the left hand side we have 7 into 8 plus 9 in bracket. It means 7 into 17, and on the right hand side we will multiply 7 by 8 first, then addition sign, and then 7 into 9. We get 56 plus 63. Now it is verified that both sides are equal, so distributive law is verified. This is exercise 3.2, question number 9, and the question is that the sum of two integers is 194. One of them is negative 28. Find the other integers. It means two numbers are added. The first number is negative 28. Is when added to a number, we get positive 194 as a sum. If the answer of addition is positive, it means we have two like integers. It means when negative 28 is added to a like integer with negative sign, that is negative 166, the answer is 194. How I found this answer? I just subtracted 28 from 194 to get this middle number. So the other integer is negative 166. This is exercise 3.2, question number 10, that Rabia asked her mother to hold her savings. At the start of July, her saving was rupees 100. At the end of July, she added rupees 250 more in her savings. In the month of August, she borrowed rupees 185 to spend. What is the remaining or owed amount? It means that initially Rabia is having rupees 100 and she added rupees 250 into that amount, and then she borrowed rupees 185. First we will add rupees 100 to rupees 50 to find total which she had initially. She had rupees 350 initially, and now she have to return the borrowed amount, and we have to find out the remaining amount she is having now. So we will subtract 185, which is the borrowed amount from the total rupees 350, which was her saving, we get rupees 165 left. So the remaining amount is rupees 165. This is the last question of this exercise 3.2, that on Sunday morning the temperature of Faisalabad city was 45 degree. It dropped 3 degrees Celsius per hour due to weather condition. What was the total change in temperature after 5 hours? It means the initial temperature of Faisalabad city is 45 degree. It is dropping 3 degrees Celsius after each hour. It means after 5 hours the temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius. We will subtract this 15 degrees Celsius from the initial temperature. It means now the temperature or the final temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. This was the end of today's lecture. Kindly subscribe to my channel Maths Guide. Like and share with all your friends and family, and also with your teachers.